Morning everybody, Dwayne Shepherd here, DRFX Forex and Trading. Gonna be taking a look at the situation on the Euro US dollar today and gonna be identifying if there are any trading opportunities for us this week. So, starting off, taking a look at the wider view of this pair. Looking on the daily chart, we can see that we've actually broken below the support of the large Pennant consolidation that was formed between 2008 and the final breakout which started towards the end of 2014. Since that breakout, we have actually entered in a period in which the market has actually started to pull back and move sideways below the support area. So right now we're in a period of indecision with respect to the direction of this pair. Based on the fact that we have broken out below the support area, it is very likely that this sideways movement will eventually give way to a continuation of the breakout bearish in favor of the US dollar. However, as we know from the theory of consolidation breakouts, there's always a possibility that this sideways movement eventually gives way to a reversal that takes us back inside of the consolidation, which is normally referred to as a false breakout. So those are the two possibilities. Right now, the bears are in control, and the bias for this pair is actually towards the downside. So that is the more likely scenario based on the overall setup. So let's take a look at the shorter term view and see if there are any trading opportunities that could be provided for us before we see either of those two scenarios play out. So zooming in, we can see that the pair is actually moving sideways, and that it is actually taking the early form of a possible pennant consolidation formation. Here we see that the resistance boundary has already been formed with these two resistance points. However, we have only formed one support point right now, with the second support yet to be formed. If we see a rally that takes place towards the resistance boundary, then that would have completed the second support point and completed the support boundary and the overall pennant consolidation. So if we see a rally above this downtrend line, which could possibly take the form of an ABC setup, here we have a counter trend line, and the formation that seems to be taking place right now is that of an ABC setup. So if we see a break, a strong bullish candle above this downtrend line as well as above this counter trend line, then we are very likely to see a continued movement higher towards this resistance boundary that would complete the overall pennant setup. So given the candles that have already been formed, if this is going to be in fact an ABC setup, it is very likely that we're going to see this within the next couple of days this week. Failing that, if we do not see this rally, then it is possible that the market pulls back a little bit towards this area and then U-turns with another bullish candle to effectively form a double bottom formation as well. So that is a second possibility that we could see in moving towards its resistance boundary. The third possibility is that neither of these bullish signals occurs, and that we in fact get a continued movement bearish to continue the overall direction in favor of the US dollar and continue the overall breakout from this consolidation formation. So those are the three possibilities that we're looking at over the next couple of days. So let's be patient and wait until we see a clear and strong signal in either direction and take action accordingly. So until then, take care.